7th one. Yes, what happened? If it is given that the product of two zeros is 12, that means alpha beta is equal to 12. Find the zeros. That means alpha beta gamma, all you have to solve, find out. So alpha beta is given 12. So alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d by a. Alpha beta value is 12 into gamma is equal to what is minus d? Minus 24.
Gamma is minus 2.
Gamma is minus 2.
Yeah, so alpha plus beta plus gamma.
Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. So alpha plus beta minus 2 is equal to plus 5.
So alpha plus beta is equal to
Alpha
7.
plus beta is equal to 7.
Therefore, alpha is 7 minus beta.
Alpha is equal to 7 minus beta. Okay. Now
Now,
the second one.
Yes, ma'am.
Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a. That is minus 2. Alpha beta is 12 plus gamma is minus 2. So minus 2 beta, or it is okay, fine.
Yeah, so I
Alpha beta plus gamma into alpha plus beta is equal to minus 2. So alpha beta is 12 plus, okay, gamma is minus 2 into alpha is 7 minus beta plus beta. It is get cancelled, so we can't get it. Yeah, no, it is not needed. This one is not needed. We have alpha into beta is equal
alpha
to
into
12.
beta is
We
equal
have.
to 12. Yeah.
Yes, right. So it is 7 minus beta into beta is equal to 12. So 7 beta minus beta square is equal to 12. 0 is equal to beta square minus 7 beta plus 12. 12 is 4 threes are. So beta minus 4 and beta minus 3. You will get the factors.
Yes,
So
beta
value
is
of beta 4 or 3.
alpha is 3 or 3.
So now beta is 4 or 3. Then alpha is equal to 7 minus beta.
Yeah.
So therefore alpha is equal to 7 minus 4, 3 or 4. So alpha beta gamma is equal to 3, 4 and minus 2 or 4, 3 and minus 2.
Ma'am, can you once tell how did you split the middle term in beta square minus 7 beta plus 12?
Minus 4 beta minus 3 beta.
Okay.
7 is factorized as 4 and 3.
Can you scroll it up?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, ma'am, yesterday when the class got over, so before that some 15-20 minutes I got disconnected. I was not able to connect. So did you upload can you upload the video on YouTube?
Yeah, it can be done. Conversion has been done yesterday. I guess I will do.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, there is
Thank you,
one for Sapiens.
Yeah, Sapiens Education 10B1 classroom you can use.
Okay, ma'am.
Sapiens Education, inside that the playlists are there. So 10B1, B4 together right now I have connected with that name I have made. So 10B1 Maths, 10B1 Science separately.
Okay, ma'am.
Done?
Just a minute, ma'am.
Okay, completed?
No, ma'am, just a minute.
Ma'am, can you scroll slightly up?
Sixteenth one? Anyone solved?
Which one?
60.
Only one.
Yes, Twinkle? Paroi, who has solved? Who was telling? Who was telling this? I could not see the participant. Twinkle. Yeah, Twinkle.
We can do this by factor theorem, like alpha plus beta plus gamma is minus b by a.
So first is zeros are in AP. So zeros are
Zeros are a minus b, alpha is equal to a minus b, a and a plus b.
so this is alpha, this is beta, and this one is gamma, right? And some of the zeros you have taken, right? Yeah. So sum of the zeros, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a. So a minus b plus
Plus
a
a
plus a
plus
plus b is equal to
minus 3b by a.
minus 3b by a, right? So minus b plus b cancel. 3a is equal to minus 3b by a. So 3 get cancelled.
So a is equal to minus b by a.
Yeah, 1 second. Don't use, because this is a confusion in a and a. So consider this as x and y instead of ab, because here is also in your values in the equation, it is given a, b, c, d are used. So it is difficult to manage this a and b. So we will consider this as x minus y, x and x plus y instead of a and b. Then it will be much easier. So it is x minus y plus x plus y. So y get cancelled, 3x. So value of x is minus b by a. So this is one of the zero. Because a and b, there is a confusion. The student will start taking a like this way. So better consider the zeros as different ones. Clear, everyone?
Yes.
This is also allowed, right?
Yeah. So x is beta, one of the zero. Yes, Twinkle, further?
After that, like in the equation it is given ax cube plus bx. So we can like substitute the value of x in the equation.
Yes, right. So minus b by a is a zero of the fx. So therefore, f of minus b by a will be equal to 0. Remainder will be 0 because minus b by a is a 0. So value of polynomial, when you substitute the value of x as minus b by a is 0. Okay.
Ma'am, how?
Remainder theorem you forgot?
No, I remember.
Then minus b
Ma'am,
by
g of
a is a 0 of the fx. That means
how?
if you substitute this value in a function in given equation, the value should come 0.
Ma'am, but minus b by a is equal to 0. That should come, right?
Where it is told this minus b by a is equal to 0. Value of x, that is one of the 0, is minus b by a.
Oh, yeah. Okay, fine.
Here, see this one.
Yes, ma'am.
So your polynomial is fx is ax cube plus 3bx square plus 3cx plus d. Now f of b minus b by a is equal to a into minus b by a whole cube plus 3b into minus b by a square plus 3c into minus b by a plus d. It should be equal to 0. Now simplify. A into minus b cube by a cube plus 3b into b square by a square minus 3bc by a plus d is equal to 0. So 1a get cancelled, left is 2. So minus b cube by a square plus 3b cube by a square minus 3bc by a plus d is equal to 0. Clear? Till this point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Denominators are same in the first two. So we can add numerators. So numerator is minus b cube plus 3b cube. So value of this is
2b cube by a square.
2b cube by a square minus 3bc by a plus d is equal to 0. And now take LCM. What is LCM?
A square.
A square. So here no need to multiply. It will remain 2b cube. Here you have to multiply with a.
Minus
So
3abc.
minus 3abc plus
Plus
here
a
nothing
square
is
d.
there. So a square d is equal to 0. So this a square will be transferred to that side, becomes 0. So you have 2b cube minus 3abc plus a square d is equal to 0. That is what you need to prove. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Here we didn't find beta and gamma. It's not needed.
No, it is not needed. Otherwise you won't get.
Ma'am,
Yes?
after the last step, you're taking LCM, right? This
Yeah,
last
the
step.
last step. Yeah. Simplification and then LCM.
Yeah. Okay.
Ma'am, for the 60-second question, should we verify for all questions?
No, don't verify. Only find out.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, after this, will we do 61st question?
61st done. 61st, 62nd done. 63rd now.
Ma'am, 63rd is under division algorithm.
Yeah.
Done, ma'am.
Completed, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Done fully? Any doubt? Till 61, any doubts?
Oh, ma'am.
No? Okay, so next is now very important part, that is finding zeros of cubic polynomial and biquadratic polynomial. That means the polynomials with degree 3 or polynomials with degree 4. So some zeros will be given exactly similar way you have solved last year. Long division method. Here also you are doing the same thing. They have made it more easier last year by hit and trial method. Cubic polynomial zeros you have calculated. In polynomial chapter, you have found out the value 0 by hit and trial method.
Yes, ma'am.
One of the 0 you have found out by hit and trial method. Now finding the factor, you have divided, long division method you have done. And that way quadratic polynomial as a quotient you got. And then 3 factors you have calculated by factorizing quadratic polynomial. Recall that? Have you recalled?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Here is, they have given you zeros. You are not, hit and trial method is now, you have to skip because they have already given you zeros.
Yes, ma'am.
So-
I think we have to do it twice. 2 times you have to do long division method.
No, you are not supposed to. Now listen very carefully. This is first is with the zeros are whole numbers. Real numbers, rational numbers. After that, there are actual questions with irrational numbers. Zeros are given, which are irrational numbers. Okay. So first, the easier one, I will tell you first, and then we will go to the irrational number zeros. Here, this polynomial is with degree
4.
Fourth
degree 4. That means it is biquadratic. So it will have 4 zeros. So it will have 4 zeros. Out of that, already 2 zeros has been given. -2 and -1 are the zeros given. So you have 4 zeros as alpha, beta, -2 and -1. So these are the zeros, right? So this polynomial is written in the factors of this. So these are the zeros. So what will be the factors? If x is equal to -2 is a
X plus
0.
2.
So
X plus 2
factor
be the
will be
factor.
X plus 2.
zeros are x is equal to -2, x is equal to -1, x is equal to alpha, x is equal to beta. So these are the 4 zeros of this polynomial fx. So what are the factors?
X plus 2.
X plus 2, X
two,
plus 1,
plus 2,
X.
x plus 1, x minus
X
alpha,
minus alpha, X minus beta.
x minus beta. So these are the 4 factors. And when you take the product of all these, you will get the same polynomial, 2x to the power 4 plus x cube minus 14x square minus 19x minus 6, right? So this product, this side our LHS product and RHS value will be exactly equal because of these are the factors of this polynomial only. So these 4, when you multiply, you will get the same answer as fx. That is clear? This step is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now here these two are known to us and these two you have to calculate. So for that, what we will do easily, we have to multiply these two. We will get one polynomial
Yes, ma'am.
and this one we have to calculate. So this one multiplication, that is something we will get. Suppose it is x square plus 3x plus 2
That's two.
into x minus alpha into x minus beta is equal to this polynomial fx. Now how to get this polynomial then? This will be also when we multiply, we will get one quadratic polynomial. That is right.
Take the known polynomial to RHS
So here, this is a product form.
and subtract it.
So we have to find out x minus alpha into x minus beta, we have to divide fx with this polynomial, x square plus 3x plus 2. Then we will get quotient. So where we have to divide the full fx with this polynomial, we will get the quotient. Quotient is also the factor of fx. So this is the quotient we will get it. That quotient will be in the quadratic polynomial and you have to factorize. Then by factorizing, you will get the value of alpha and beta. Able to understand what has to be done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I'm like alpha, beta, and gamma for biquadrilateral.
Biquadratic, there are many more. We are not alpha, beta, gamma, and something else. 5 we will take it. Okay. So right now they already have given number, so I don't want to confuse you again with a new variable.
But
Is
it is
clear?
there. Other number.
Yes, it is there. Yes, we can take it. Okay. Is it clear? What has to be
Yes,
done?
ma'am.
Now, how has to be done? Why has to be divided? That is clear to you. Why we are
Yes,
supposed to
Yes,
divide?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the concept. Now, what what you have to do? First thing, what you have to do is first x is equal to -2 they have given, and x is equal to -1 they have given. So this is the concept I told you what has to be done. Now, how has to be done? So factors will be x plus 2 and x plus 1. Now take the product of these two. Product. So it will be x plus a, x plus b, x square plus a plus b, that is 2 plus 1 into x plus ab. If you know the identity, you can use directly, you can multiply, right?
Yes.
And now divide the given fx with this polynomial, x square plus 3x plus 2 with that polynomial. So can you, this will read that polynomial?
Ma'am, 2x power 4 plus x cube
Plus x cube
minus 14x square
14x square
minus 19x
minus 19x
minus 6.
minus 6.
Ma'am, even I divided, ma'am.
Okay, let me divide and explain. Good. So here first, this one is first value is 2x to the power 4 by x square. You have to do 2x to the power 4 by x square. That is equal to
2x square.
2x square. So quotient will be 2x square. 2x square into x square is 2x to the power 4. 2x square plus 3x is 6x cube. 2x square plus 2 is 4x square plus 4x square. Subtract. While subtracting, all the sign of second polynomial will change. So 2x square plus and minus cancel. Plus 1 minus 6 is minus 5x cube. Minus 18x square. Minus 19x minus 6. Now next quotient is minus 5x
Minus
cube
5x.
by x square. It is minus 5x. So it is minus 5x. Minus 5x into x square is minus 5x cube. Minus 5x minus 15x square
minus
and
10x.
minus 10x. Subtract, sign of second will change. So this
Minus
get cancelled.
3x square minus 9x minus 6.
Minus 9x minus 6. So next quotient is minus 3x
3.
square by x square, that is equal to minus 3. So minus 3 minus 3x square minus 9x minus 6. Sign will change and all get cancelled. Becomes 0. Now we got the quotient as 2x square minus 5x minus 3. Now factorize it.
Ma'am, answer is 2x plus 1.
2x square, wait. 2 into minus 3. So product is minus 6. So that means difference of two terms is minus 5. So that is 6 ones are 2x square minus 6x plus x minus 3. Factorize separately. 2x common, x minus 3 plus nothing is common. So 1 into x minus 3. So x minus 3 is one factor and 2x plus 1 is second factor. Now these are the factors. From this you have to calculate zeros. So for zeros you have to equate both the brackets to 0. X minus 3 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 1 equal to 0. So value of x is 3 or 2x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 by 2. So you'll get all the zeros as, at the end you have to write all the zeros, otherwise you will lose half marks. Minus 2, minus 1, this is given. These are the zeros which are given. And what
Minus
you
1
got,
by 2.
3 and minus 1 by 2. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So write down. This is why you have to divide. This is the reason why you are supposed to divide.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, is this the correct way to write the answer in exam?
No, from second part, whatever I told you, that is enough. You are not supposed to write this.
So can you scroll down then? Ma'am, so in second part there is no alpha and beta.
Yeah, alpha and beta, I'm not sure.
Ma'am, we have to write the two zeros given are minus 2 and minus 1.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question is similar one. You try the 64th one. Only 1 0 and it's cubic polynomial. So 1 0 is enough.
Ma'am, we are doing 64th, right?
Yeah. Do by yourself.
Ma'am, all zeros are -2, -1, and -10.
That's right.
Ma'am, even I got -2, -1, and -10.
-1 and -10, the remaining two, right? Next, then 64th you can solve, 65th one.
Ma'am, just a minute, ma'am.
Sixty-sixth one. 65th,
Ma'am, the
mark it, it is homework.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in 64, zeros are -2, -10, -1. Right? Yeah.
Yeah. Everyone completed 64th?
Yes, ma'am.
Now see, then now next are the zeros are given irrational numbers. Till now you are getting the rational numbers. Now most of the questions there are the zeros are irrational numbers. The method has to be followed as same. There's no change. X is -√3 and x is equal to √3. So these are the zeros. Then what are factors?
X plus √3 and x minus √3.
X plus √3 and x minus √3. So these are the zeros. So product is
X square -3. By using
x
the
square
identity.
minus 3, a plus b into a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. So we got polynomial as x square minus 3. Then divide the given polynomial with x square minus 3. X to the power 4 minus 3x cube minus x square plus 9x minus 6 and divide with x
Ma'am, but-
square minus 3.
Ma'am, but now that we have taken the prop, now because of irrational numbers, there is going to be no problem.
Yeah. So now it is first quotient is x square. So x square into x square is x to the power 4. X square into minus 3 is minus 3x square, but write equal terms below equal terms. Here is x square. So minus 3x square will come here. Subtract, this is minus, this is plus. This get cancelled. This term as it is down, minus 3x cube, minus 1 plus 3 is plus 2x square, plus 9x minus 6. Now minus 3x cube minus x square is minus 3x quotient. So minus 3x cube minus 3x into minus 3 is plus 9x. So here plus 9x. Subtract, sign will change. Plus 9 minus 9 cancel. Minus 3x cube plus 3x cube cancel. So next is 2x square minus 6. So 2x square by x square is plus 2. So this is 2x square minus 3 into plus 2 is minus 6. When we subtract, minus minus plus 0. Always you will get the quotient 0 because these are the zeros. X square minus 3 is a factor of this polynomial. And now factorize x square minus 3x plus 2. So it is product is plus 2, sum is minus 3. So x square minus 2x minus x plus 2. X into bracket x minus 2 minus 1 into bracket x minus 2. So x minus 2 into x minus 1. These are the factors. And zeros are x minus 2 equal to 0. X minus 1 equal to 0. So value of x is 2 or x is equal to 1. Then all zeros are minus root 3 plus root 3, 2 and 1. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Method is exactly same as you have done for rational numbers.
Ma'am, and I have seen that all the questions after this, they have given the irrational number zeros as minus 3, minus root 3 and root 3. They have not given minus root 3 and root 5. They have given
No,
the same.
they're same only.
Yeah.
Next which question?
This is done. The next one,
Yes,
67.
ma'am.
67.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, in questions, if they are giving biquadratic polynomials, They'll give
Yeah.
2 zeros, ma'am.
Yeah, always. If this completed, then next solve the next one, 67th one.
Ma'am, could you scroll down? Ma'am, 67th done. Should we do 68th?
Sixty-eight, 69, 70 homework, 71.
After 67, this question.
71. This is 71st. Now those are root 2, root 3, root 5, like that. You know how to solve those. Now in this question, zeros are minus root 3 by 2 and plus root 3 by 2. So x is equal to minus root 3 by 2 and x is equal to plus root 3 by 2, fraction number. So factors are
X plus root
X
3
plus
by
root 3
2.
by 2, x minus 3 root 2.
And
Then is root 3 by 2.
root 3 by 2. Okay. So product is
X square minus 3 by 2.
x square minus 3 by 2. Now in this case, to make it more easier, equate it to 0 and simplify. 2x square minus 3 by 2 equal to 0. 2x square minus 3 is equal to 0. So you will get the polynomial as 2x square minus 3. And then
But how can
divide.
we equate?
This is a polynomial.
But how can we equate just like that is equal to 0?
Solve this and tell. Take 2x square minus 3 and find the zeros of this. Find the zeros.
Ma'am, if we do, we can get a square minus b square. Root 2x plus root 3. No, yeah, plus root 3 into root 2x minus root 3.
So zeros are
Minus root 3 by root 2.
And this one,
Oh, root 3 by root. Okay, fine, ma'am.
got it?
Yes, ma'am.
So you have to divide the given polynomial with 2x square minus 3. X to the power 4 minus 2x cube minus 7x square plus x minus 1. Everyone able to understand? Still anyone has any problem?
No, ma'am.
So first quotient, x square into 2x square is 2x to the power 4 minus 3x square minus 3x square. So there is no term. Subtract minus, this is plus, this get cancelled, minus 2x cube minus 4x square plus x minus 4. Next quotient, minus
Minus 3.
x
Minus x.
minus 2x cube minus x into minus 3 is plus 3x. I think so. I have written something wrong.
I'm also getting the
No,
same.
even I'm getting this.
Here it is. I think so. Polynomial is changed. Yes, here the. Let me check in the book. I think so. I'm wrong. Give me a second.
That's the same in the book.
Two x cubed minus minus 7x square plus 3x plus 6. It is wrong. Make it plus 3x. Plus
Even in the book,
6.
it's wrong.
Yeah, in the book itself, correct it. Printing mistake. Last two terms are different. Plus 3x plus 6. So this will become minus, this get cancelled. Then minus 4x plus 6. So minus 2. It will become minus 4x square plus 6 plus minus. So this get cancelled, 0. So we'll get the quotient as x square minus x minus 2. Factorize it. X square minus 2x plus x minus 2. X into bracket x minus 2 plus 1 into bracket x minus 2, x minus 2 and x plus 1. So these are the factors. So zeros are x minus 2 equal to zeros and x plus 1 equal to 0. So x is equal to 2 or x is equal to minus 1. So all zeros are root 3 by 2 minus 3 root 3 by 2, 2 and minus 1. Clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
For everyone, is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Shreya,
Yes, ma'am.
Ruhi, able to understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Tushar, Tejal, Ganesh.
Yes, ma'am, I can understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 68, 16 and 70 are homework, no, ma'am?
Yeah, homework.
Ma'am, can you just tell us x square minus x minus 2, what middle term did you split?
2 into 1.
Okay.
2 into 1.
Done, ma'am.
72nd. If completed, then solve the 72nd.
And this question will come for how many marks? Ma'am?
5.
But this is smaller than that proving irrational number.
Yes, ma'am. This is at least worth the 5 marks. That was not worth the 3 marks.
Yes, ma'am.
Sometimes this question is asked for 2 marks also in some of the schools. 2 and 3 marks also sometimes they have asked this question.
Done, ma'am.
72nd got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, we should do the 73rd also.
Yes, I'm solving that. Krish understood the method, able to solve? Krish, are you able to solve? Are you there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Rupika,
Yes, ma'am.
these are all important questions. Completed earlier one? The 72 completed?
Doing
Yes,
two.
ma'am.
Doing, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's written plus minus root 3.
Everyone completed 70 seconds, then tell
Yes, ma'am.
me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Yes, ma'am.
So here they have given two zeros are 2 plus minus root 3. That means one value of x is 2 plus root 3 and second value is 2 minus root 3. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now for finding the product is done by two methods. First method, direct product.
Ma'am, a square
So
minus b
factors
square.
are, by first method, what are the factors? X minus 2 minus root 3. Right? So these two terms will be transferred to LHS. And here also it is x minus 2, but minus root 3 will transfer that side as plus root 3. Now consider x minus 2 as A and this as B. This is A and this is B. So this is A minus B into A plus B. So product is
A square minus
X
B
minus
square.
2. Yes.
A square minus B square. So what is A square?
X,
X minus
2
whole
whole
square
square
minus root 3 whole square, right? So find the product. X square
minus 4x
minus 4x
plus 4 minus 3.
minus 3. So x square minus 4x plus 1. This is one method to find the product. And the second method is,
I can just multiply.
no. The way you have found the polynomial, if these two are the zeros, two zeros are 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. How to form the polynomial? X square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
what is the sum?
2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root
2
3.
plus
4.
root 3 plus 2 minus root 3. So minus root 3 plus root 3 cancel. Sum is 4. And what is product?
2 plus root 3
2
into 2
plus root
minus
3 into 2 minus root 3. So it is a plus b into a minus b.
1.
Minus 3, 1.
4 minus 3 is 1. So what is your polynomial?
square minus 4x
X
plus
square minus
1.
4x plus 1.
X square minus sum. Sum is 4. 4 into x plus product plus 1. You got the same? So any one of the method you can use to form the product of these two factors and then divide the given polynomial with x square minus 4x plus 1. So polynomial is x to the power 4 minus 6x cube minus 26x square plus 138x minus 35. So this was the question asked in boards 2019 for 4 mark. So first quotient is x square. So it is x to the power 4 minus 4x cube plus x square. Subtract minus plus minus, this get cancelled, minus 2x cube minus 27x square plus 138x minus 35. So minus 2x is the quotient, minus 2x cube plus 8x square minus 2x. Subtract, sign will change. This get cancelled. Minus 35x square plus 140x minus 35. Quotient is minus 35. So minus 35x square plus 35 for the 35 to the 70, 70, 70, 140. 140x and minus 35. Sign change, cancel, 0. So you get the quotient as x square minus 2x minus 35. Factorize it. 7 5s are x square minus 7x plus 5x minus 35. X into bracket x minus 7 plus 5 into bracket x minus 7. So we will get the bracket as x minus 7 into x plus 5. So zeros are 7 or minus 5. So all zeros are 7 minus 5, 2 plus root 3 and 2 minus root 3. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This question was asked for 4 marks. Earlier there was 4 marker questions, and this year if it is asked, it will be for 5 mark. Right.
Ma'am, in some earlier questions, there were 2 methods, and the first method was applicable for only some questions. Is it the same here, or both methods for all questions?
Both the methods for all
Applicable.
questions.
It's not that this method will not be applicable for some questions.
No. It's both of these. This is whatever right now I've shown you 2 methods. Both the methods are applicable for all of them earlier also.
Okay, ma'am.
So for all these questions, you have taken product was easier. Taking product was easier. So therefore, I'm not explaining you the second method. If these two are the zeros, find the polynomial. Here also you will get the same way. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So you have a homework, remaining questions. So earlier, 67 you have solved, right? 68, 69, 70 is your homework. And 74, 75.
Ma'am, 65 was also homework.
Yeah, so remaining questions earlier and here till 76, 77. Till 77
Okay.
you have it out. Homework till 77.
Okay, ma'am.
Everything,
Okay,
everyone
ma'am.
clear?
Yes,
The
ma'am.
next
Ma'am,
class
Yes,
will be
ma'am.
last class for polynomials.
Ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
One by one, I'm not able to understand all of you together. Yes, tell.
Ma'am, and we have to send that mirror this diagram.
Yeah,
right?
diagrams you can send me
Okay.
full.
Ma'am,
I have
already sent you, ma'am.
Yes, Ganesh, I've sent you back also.
Ma'am,
Yes, Vishal, Vedant.
ma'am, I had a doubt in science.
Yeah.
Ma'am, if the reaction, if there is any precipitate form, you have to write double displacement reaction or precipitate reaction.
It depends which type of reaction you have written.